So with cells, let's go back to the perfect analogy here of cells in the body. Cells in the body at their highest health function based on their specific need at that time. What does that mean? That means that a perfectly functioning cell may have to die to perform apoptosis at a specific moment, because that is what is best for the cell and for the whole. So the fact that the cell is doing well, that it's resonating in perfect health, does not mean that all the cells and it are going to be on the same page, on the same wavelength, as the specific function of each cell may be different from the functions around it in order for the collective to vibrate together in perfect harmony. So, if you're then working on yourself as an individual, and if you're able to maintain a healthy, harmonious frequency and resonance, the ones around you that are being awakened are not going to be awakened to resonate in the same frequency as you. They're going to be awakened to their own function, to their own journey. So if one person's journey is learning to go through loss and experience loss, their being awakened may look very different than what you expect in a healthy, awakened soul, because their function at this time is to experience loss. Yes. Is this understood?
Oh, 100%, yes.
So others awakening to their own wellness and their own harmonious resonance through your inner work and through your perfect pitch is still going to be relative to their function, their point on their own journey. This is an important point to make, since often individuals either expect or prefer others awakened individuals to experience similar journeys to theirs, and always to experience increase of love, increase of harmony in their life. However, different cells, different individuals have different journeys and different functions within the collective.
Yes, fully. Just to honor the experience and trust the process.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Ik enia katira hasti anu amaya katira. Heki ania turustu tu katira.